if you're highly ambitious and at the same time you try a lot to do too much effort and yet you fail and always feel that आप जितना ज्यादा सोच रहे हैं उतना ही कम अचीवमेंट हो रहा है, तो let me tell you something what's going wrong here. For people who are highly ambitious and highly enthusiastic in terms of trying to finish up a certain kind of goal or achieve a certain number of hours of effectiveness in a day, if you're studying, आप चाहते हैं कि आप 12 घंटे पढ़ें, 14 घंटे पढ़ें. I have some people talking to me, some students talking to me who tell me कि सर हम 14 घंटे 15 घंटे पहले पढ़ते होते थे. We used to study for long hours and we were having great time. We were studying very well. We were having great marks also. अभी भी हम उतना ही पढ़ना चाहते हैं सर. That is exactly who we were. आज भी हम वही कर सकते हैं. The problem is a lot of patterns of yours have changed over that time from where you felt you were enthusiastic, or even if you today feel the need to having that level of enthusiasm and having that level of study hours so that you can do the achievement of the goal that is in front of you. Now there are two possibilities. एक, आपका गोल इतना नजदीक है जो आपको अचीव करना है. The target time available is less. So obviously, how would you do things? You try that you study more and more. So in that only, what you do is you try to keep high targets for yourself, which you feel you can achieve, but at the end of the day, you don't achieve any of it. You rather achieve almost half of it or even lesser than that. और वो भी पूरा का पूरा ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने 12 घंटे सोचा था तो आपने 6 घंटे पढ़ा और 6 घंटे आपने एक ही बार में पढ़ा, फिर 6 घंटे पढ़ा ही नहीं. आप सारा दिन ड्रैग कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. You're almost sitting for the whole day with lot of breaks in between, with a lot of distraction in between, with a lot of non-focused sessions happening. While you're feeling the books are in front of you, you're not studying. The task is in front of you, you're not doing it. Now, what is the problem here? The problem is आपका high enthusiasm आपको kill कर रहा है और आपको burnouts दे रहा है, जिसकी वजह से every single day when there is non-accomplishment, it gives you a regret. So it pushes you all the way more to try it again and do it better than previous day. But the problem is your patterns have not changed. Your awareness towards non-accomplishment is there, but your awareness towards the fact that you're not focused enough is not there. Till the time you don't bring that awareness कि मेरा focus इतना है नहीं, मुझे उसे build करना पड़ेगा,